6 reasons Ethereum is the future of finance. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 reasons why Ethereum is the future of finance. My name is Thomas and I want to tell you about something that could change your life. It's not just anything though, it's called Ethereum. The blockchain is a revolutionary new technology that can be used for many different applications. Ethereum is one of the most popular blockchains, and it's quickly becoming the financial technology of the future. This video will show how Ethereum has been able to revolutionize finance in just a few years, and why it's poised to continue doing so. In this video, we'll explore 6 reasons why Ethereum is the future of finance. We'll look at how smart contracts are changing traditional business models, what makes Ethereum unique among other cryptocurrencies, and more. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency, and it might be getting a lot more valuable. Ethereum has increased in value by 600% over this past year alone. A tokenized economy could change everything we know about business as usual, disrupting industries forever with new technology like never before seen. On these changes will only occur if people choose to adopt them, through which means you need an investment strategy that's flexible enough for anything invariably heading our way. Ethereum is not owned by any single person or company. Ethereum is a worldwide computer that can be used to create contracts and run programs. It's not owned by any single person or company. Instead, it lives on computers all over the world in what are called nodes. The best way I could think of would be like an enormous network drive with everyone working together as one team. The network is decentralized, so no one can shut it down. In a sense, that makes the whole system more resilient, because even if some government or organization were to get their hands on this information and start shutting things down, there would still be accessible for everyone else who needs it. It uses a different kind of distributed ledger technology that does not require mining to be processed and verified in order to avoid any possible attacks on the system. This ledger does not use mining. Instead, it uses a different kind of distributed ledger technology that requires less processing power and can be verified by fewer people at once, but with more security in place due to its decentralization principle. There are 0 transaction fees for sending money across the network, making transactions significantly cheaper for everyone involved. There are no transaction fees to send or receive money across the network. There are more coins in circulation, so you'll have more options when investing in cryptocurrencies. When the crypto craze started, I had just 1 coin in my wallet, and now there are at least 7. As more people invest, and as new coins continue to enter circulation, it's going to be an exciting time for investors like me. It's clear that Ethereum is quickly becoming the financial technology of the future. The blockchain can be used to store and transfer money, but also to code and execute smart contracts. These self-executing contractual agreements can reduce or even eliminate the need for a third party in a deal. What's more, Ethereum is developing rapidly for many other applications as well. From finance to law enforcement, transportation, energy production, there are an infinite number of industries where this innovative technology could make dramatic changes happen over time. If you're interested in investing in cryptocurrencies or want help implementing these principles into your own business model, contact us today. Our team would love to discuss what we have available with you. If you're interested in learning more about how to invest in Bitcoin so it can be part of your diversified portfolio, then consider reading our free crypto investing ebook, which will teach you everything from A to Z. You may also want to look into other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum if you're looking for something else worth investing in outside of Bitcoin. With all this information, we hope that we have helped make your decision easier when it comes down to deciding between Shiba Inu coin and Cardano. Do you think Ethereum will get to a new all-time high this year? Feel free to comment below. We can do more research on this topic with your information, and send me an emoji below with the topic you're struggling with and would like to see more content about our experts. We'll help you with that. This next video is going to be really cool, and you should subscribe to my channel while it's still free. I think you can learn a lot from our experts, and it would make me happy to have you as a part of my subscriber family. Feel free to share this with anyone you think might also enjoy it.